Hello friends, today we are talking about dark web or deep web on our YouTube channel Beyond the Future. Let's understand about internet. There we can explain from this picture. There are three types of web. First is surface web. That we use for Google, Wikipedia, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Second is deep web. They're all medical record, government record, legal record, academic record act. Third is dark web. They're all illegal information, drug trafficking, illegal pornography, private communications, etc. We use only 5 to 10% of the web you can see, the other 90 to 95% you can't use, and also don't try it. Clear web. The clear web, also known as the public or surface web, is the region of the internet that most people are familiar with. These are the publicly accessible web pages that are largely indexed on search engines such as Google or Internet Explorer. These websites can be easily found through a search query within any search engine. Deep web. The deep web refers to an unindexed section of the web not readily accessed through any conventional search engine such as Google or Internet Explorer. The deep web holds the content that's invisible to search engines such as the contents of your personal email and social media accounts, data that companies store on their private databases. Content contained within scientific and academic databases, medical records and legal documents. Dark web. The dark web is a subset of the deep web, and is intentionally hidden and or made inaccessible through standard browsers or requires specific configuration to access through the standard browsers. Since search engines cannot index the sites, it is not possible to show these sites as search results. There is a high degree of anonymity, and it is therefore predominantly used by activists, researchers, whistleblowers and criminals. The dark web is the World Wide Web content that exists on dark nets, overlay networks that use the internet but require specific software, configurations, or authorization to access. Through the dark web, private computer networks can communicate and conduct business anonymously without divulging identifying information, such as a user's location. The dark web forms a small part of the deep web, the part of the web not indexed by web search engines, although sometimes the term deep web is mistakenly used to refer specifically to the dark web. The darknets which constitute the dark web include small, friend-to-friend peer-to-peer networks, as well as large, popular networks such as Tor, Freenet, I2P, and Riffle, operated by public organizations and individuals. Users of the dark web refer to the regular web as ClearNet due to its unencrypted nature. The dark web or onion uses the traffic anonymization technique of onion routing under the network's top level domain suffix onion. Darknet markets belongs to botnets, Bitcoin services, ransomware, financing and fraud, illegal pornography, terrorism, social media, hoaxes and unverified content. Commercial darknet markets mediate transactions for illegal goods and typically use Bitcoin as payment. These markets have attracted significant media coverage, starting with the popularity of Silk Road and the Abylos market and its subsequent seizure by legal authorities. Silk Road was one of the first dark web marketplaces that emerged in 2011 and has allowed for the trading of weapons and identity fraud resources. These markets have no protection for its users and can be closed down at any time by authorities. Despite the closures of these marketplaces, others pop up in their place. As of 2020, there have been at least 38 active dark web marketplaces. These marketplaces are similar to that of eBay or Craigslist, where users can interact with sellers and leave reviews about marketplace products. A December 2014 study by Gareth Owen from the University of Portsmouth found that the most commonly hosted type of content on Twitter was child pornography, followed by black markets. While the individual sites with the highest traffic were dedicated to botnet operations, see attached metric. Many whistleblowing sites maintain a presence 23 as well as political discussion forums. Sites associated with Bitcoin, fraud-related services, and mail-order services are some of the most prolific. As of December 2020, the number of active Tor sites in Onion was estimated at 76,300, containing a lot of copies. Of these, 18,000 would have original content. In July 2017, Roger Dingledine, one of the 3 founders of the Tor project, said that Facebook is the biggest hidden service. The dark web comprises only 3% of the traffic in the Tor network. A February 2016 study from researchers at King's College London gives the following breakdown of content by an alternative category set, highlighting the illicit use of Onion services. Thanks for watching.